So welcome back to my channel, guys. Today in this video we're going to be looking at a simple football combo which you can do under 2 minutes. And if you have any football ideas, let me know in the comment section below and I'll be doing that idea for you guys. And make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this video. And because we're going to be looking at a combo which goes something like a heel tap flick up with a crossover 360 degree. Okay, I know that's a mouthful, it's hard to even pronounce that, but it's going to be looking really stylish, and it's a combination of 3 football tricks made into a single combo. Okay, so the first trick which you need to be learning to do this is the heel tap flick up, which is going to be looking at this. Heel tap flick up, you can do it. Check this out. The next one is the crossover, where you just make a cross with your leg and the ball and you make a clean around the world motion with that. So this is the crossover, and if you can do this also, you must do a 361. So basically you just need to go around and make sure you control the ball with your hand or your feet or whatever, you know. So basically the 3 tricks have to be combined to make a single one. It's going to be looking really stylish. Check this out. There you go, guys. The heel tap flick up, crossover 360 degree. Okay. So I know it's hard to process, so I'm going to be breaking it down for you guys. So hold, heel tap, and then touch, and then crossover, and then I'm going to go 360 degree and then receive the crossover. Okay, so everything put together is going to be looking like a really good mixture. Just check this out. Here, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you can do this trick. If you can land that, make sure you follow me on Instagram and tag me there, so even I can share this video with other people. So until next video, Prashanth Balaji signing off, guys. Peace.